So what I'm going to do here is make a really quick and easy sling to carry my dog who is quadriplegic. I've got just a regular tote bag here, and all I'm going to do is turn it on its side and cut the sides out of it like this. I'm leaving the seam in so that it won't fray along those seams. Cutting across here, I'm leaving the bottom in. So granted, if you were a little bit more patient with sewing than me, you could do a nicer job. But then what I did is I folded the sides in and zigzagged along the edge, and then I sewed a piece of fleece on the inside just to give it a little extra support and make it really super comfy. And so this is the deluxe dog lift made out of a shopping bag.